quite an area. And it's about -6. Did I say that already? I don't know. And so here's the long driveway, and the main thing I wanted to use the skid steer for in the winter was doing this driveway. So it did a pretty good job. Again, had to go backwards up the hill, got better traction that way than forwards. But the reason I bought the skid steer was for a new driveway, and you can see that's the driveway there, and I've been working on sort of all summer, removing the dirt and moving it around. So it's still got a lot to do. I got to tie it into this existing driveway. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but the grade is a lot better down there compared to that. And it'll be steep, you know, just for a short section. So kind of creating like an S driveway. Yeah, so it's huge. Driveway is huge. It kills my back, and the snow is wet here, so it's really heavy. So this thing really did the job. So quite pleased with it. And this took me an hour, I guess, to do all this, and worked well. And I got 155.5 hours on it now, so I better do an oil change because there's no oil filter. And yeah. quick video on how this thing works in the winter. So far, so good. Thanks for watching, guys. Get you in the next one.